Nandito na po ang ating mahal na presidente, kaya salubungin po natin siya, no?
Masigabong palakpakan, Her Excellency ang tunay na anak ng Binalonan, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Welcome po natin ang anak ng Binalonan. Again, we have President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Sa kabila. Talaga naman po, Binalonan is very much honored. Palakpakan po natin lang.
At the end of the tunnel, looking back on my life, this day will rank very highly in my recollection. I imagine that when you die, and you're supposed to get a look at another painting, you don't do that.
We are here at the Town Hall office of the Mayor of Binalonan, Pangasinan. The very nice office of Mayor Ramon Gico, the second or junior. So we are waiting for our turn to be have a chance with the President of the Philippine Republic.
Okay. Tungkol sa Board of Nursing pinag-uusapan, appeal for CGFNS.
Whether successful or unsuccessful, the board passage will be the department together. Because after this,
Secretary, Sita ko medical science.
Medical science.
Ano po, tayo ko siya ng board.
Na-stop ang ganun din. Oo. Sinasabi niya lang. Okay. The President is with the President of the Philippines. Sir? Pwede ko nang magkuha. Okay.
Sino nito? Sino na ba yung kami?
Meron na kayo dokumento.
Nag-record nito? Nag-record nito.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.
I've been arrested in the United States for more than 10 years now. The last 3 years I've come back to the state.
Hindi meron din natin. Secretary lang.
And
I was just there yesterday.
yeah, and apparently because of the people's clamor for their representation, I was able to file candidacy for Congress in the first district.
Oh, Agad Boy Morales? He has equity like incumbent.
Anyways, that's a good try, maybe. And I'm being represented also. I'm representing the Filipino American Association of San Francisco. And right now, there's investors in California who would like to go into freshman transportation. And I've talked to the state Makati, and I think we just want to get a survey from
Sir,
the
meron din palang video. Na-video rin kami.
We can expedite the survey so we can start the importation as soon as possible.
Well, here is the boss of the Bureau of Planning. Secretary of Agriculture. Okay.
Thank you for your time.
Okay na. Ma'am, he had been very supportive.
We're opening one here, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Baka sige, miss.
We miss taking a picture and
To our televiewers in San Francisco, California, I have with me one of the sons of Mayor Gigo, a good-looking guy. So, looking for a partner in the United States.
Dito yung kasama si Doc Melendez.
I'm very glad to introduce to you my associate, the president of SmartLink, and my partner in our new program for BSN Online. And we're doing consultancy work for World City Colleges. So we are inviting all Filipinos who are professionals who would like to go into nursing degrees. What can you say, Mr. President? Invite our professionals.
We have an online registration for BSN program. That's it.
Okay, so that's it, and later on we will have a dinner with the President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Ito. Yeah. Yours truly, Ariel Gutierrez.
Ito may invite ko dito natin.
Yours truly.
Hindi pala kami ginakain.
Subiri and Big Chay.
Sir?
Subiri. And myself. Congressman Subiri. Madam Cesar Montaño.